thrown on the beat. It's thrown on the beat.
Hey, that's my book. Can you give it back if you don't mind? How no book can't do it. I didn't expect to see you here.
Anele.
You still love reading books, Namai?
Yeah, kusasenjani manje.
Oh, that's great, eh? So please don't tell anyone about my illness.
Okay.
Abavule, bavalele. Show them that it king and police selele. Abavule, bavalele. Show them that it king and police selele. Abasuku, bavalele.
Hey kids, so shalulana.
No, not every day, but ngiyathanda ukuzala during the day.
Okay, ngiyabuza.
Wena uzofunani la?
Ngizorelaxa nje.
Unama ngizocheck ukuthi akekho umuntu engimtshelayo ngesecret yakho.
I can't argue with you there. Mara njengoba ngisho ngizorelaxa nje.
Bona. That all boring noble Koolkat engenabo abangani. Kusase uye lona namanje. So relax, there's no one I can tell.
Okay, so since you know my secret, that makes you my friend.
Hell no. And if you delete another friend request ongisendele yona ubheba akayithandi.
Koolkat ushimile.
Phuma empilweni yami futhi suka la yohlala le.
Come on, I'm trying to be your friend, so be nice to a lady.
Hey, trying to be your friend. Lapho kube yasho nje Anele ukuthi yazini Koolkat njengoba sengizoshona nje ngisifunela indoda engizoyikhethisa ama feelings bese ngiyayishonela isale khawula kuyisono ngayo.
Bozovuma if ngicele kanjalo.
Bengengivuma.
So yabona ke, but then on a very serious note, I want to be your friend.
Bona my personality and attitude towards people ayingivumeli ukuthi mina ngibe nabangani.
Every time I try to get close to you, when you push me away.
Yes.
Even at high school, wawenza kanje.
Yeah, it's because I don't want to hurt you.
Hurt me? You already hurt me by pushing me away.
Bona, I mean, I think you should spend more time with people who love you and care about you.
Look, I have a very limited time left, so memories with you will do at this point.
No.
Okay, ngizoshayela ngikulandela everywhere you go.
Ah, yeah, MTN, ngeke uzuqale.
Then do the right thing.
Okay, fine.
Give me your phone.
Suka nje.
Yeah.
Delete mina lo nami.
Ngizofaka futhi.
Ngihlafuna sim card.
Hayi ke ngizokulanda kini. Futhi wani number 1 iPhone nakho.
Yeah, iphuma wena lapha.
Akuyena loya uhamba nobani manje hawu akahambi no novel yeah uye kodwa Anele umkene ngalomfana.
How bangani bami, I didn't expect to see you here. Can we talk private? Katleho.
Friend umfana lomfana kodwa ufuna indoda usho ngitholele right because lomfana akekho right for wena.
Mina no Kat's joy,
Just friends. Yo Anele ngicela ukuthi prank lena please.
Kat is a good guy and I think you should give him a chance.
Anele! Did you just say we should give Noble a chance? Yabona Anele kulokho yasibhedela shem.
I just wish I have so many wishes like a kid. Money on my mind, I don't wink it. I just wish.
No, like manje I'm still confused. Hayibo Anele kulabo bonke abafana wazelo khetha Noble.
Hayibo Thandeka Anele Noble bayenzani?
Bayajola lutho wahlule ukunakekela.
Hayibo phone.
Ayiphuma kibo wena hayibo.
Hayibo swala Anele ungenzani? Mina kuyetsang Anele jwang ilwena mfethu namhlanje.
Ngiyavuma ukuthi yimi ngimlahlile but then umhliplesa ngubani bro.
Hayibo hathi Noble ke ma.
Lo elinye ishanga le antisocial so belingana vibe nara iskele yabhoka lo muntu lona ndoda. I want umthole kanjani njengoba khinyana kanje.
Mina no John na uyetsang kasiko.
Ukucabanga ngizayibona mara iplan ngizoliyenza mina. Ngiyawushwithi.
Hayi mina bo.
Sengicabangile ngiyamlanda Anele.
No boy khohla Anele movie on.
Ambition nimtsolo wakhe. lebala ke Sibonelo wa mtseba mfethu ke Lekwala tsaba basadi ke Slema hape setsa se o ratang go setsa so rena ka o support
azongithandelana hlezi ngama advice grade
so yimi fake friend velela
hayi boy sure ukuthi fake friend usozaba ukuthi ithatha kanjani lento le
Wanted to be there, I wanted to be there, young brother. Said I wanted to be there, I wanted to be there, young nigga.
oh Anele
Yeah, ambition, ufunani.
wow straight to the point ne bona le last school me unfinished business
Unfinished business.
ngeze bathi ungijoin Slema lesinobula
Lela la, unfinished business. Mina nawa yikhinte yophini ihlanganise. Yangiza ukuthi ngithini. And okwenzeka phakathi kwami noKhet akufuni wena kodwa. Ugana namhlanje.
Anele. Bafuna ukungibona ngizophelela ngalemculo wami ngifuna ukusebenza ngiyavilapha. Angibane kuyamantombazane lokushila.
Ntwana o reng ngwana ya
nomntana uthi ngihlukane naye phansi akafuni nokungibona ngamanje lokho
mlalele boy ngalokho umlandela kuzobuya sengathi desperate manje
ai Sibonelo thula Ntsele ambition wena mfethu ngano itso a go hanele ma itso a go hanele ha ya go a go hanele nobo
yabona lo cabangayo manje umsakalo weplan
Sibonelo kitse thula man Ntwana ya ikanthe kujwetsa nyona
ngani uza nendaba emnandi ke wena angitshela ama details onke aphelele uthi yenzakalani
so ubona he ntwana plan ko runa relata mang relata noble ga mtshabiso re sware yena a go hanele ngwana
ya ngani mama ade antoni kanje wathathabi akasele sizame sibone
boy ungamlandeleli Wandile uzokudlisela
Sibonelo sithe thula
Bathi vele bathi nababili kodwa vele ayikalili sekulubonisha nangepast manje vele isikhathi sokuslide bathi vele bathi nababili kodwa vele ayikalili sekulubonisha nangepast manje vele isikhathi sokuslide
oh Koolkat
ambition nama gents
oh my boy anhlanje nobo kwena layaka
yala yakhona ukuthi kuvite doesn't matter
oh uyaku Anele
maybe or maybe not
wena sana uma kaNele wena sana
ngiphume kuAnele sibale mina noAnele sijoli nokujolo we are not even friends
then stay away from her
wena sana sikawu
Trying on, ain't even on the finish line. Always see just bright light. Oh God, I am saved. I swear these days felt the same.
Yo, finally, one more thing. I mean,
bona ne I think this friendship must come to an end.
why? Did someone threaten you?
No, I don't want to live my life in fear. Ne?
I don't know what happened, but then I'm gonna so let me make it up to you.
No, just leave.
Don't tell me what to do.
Okay, do what you want to do. I humble word.
Nah, stop it with this attitude.
Para like, why ungayi nama girlfriends wakho abo Thandeka no Wendy?
This is on my bucket list, and luckily you were the one who got to do it with me. And besides, I don't want them to find out that I'm sick.
Eventually they are going to find out.
Well, at least I won't be around to answer to their questions.
Anele, it's an emergency. I need an ambulance now. Anele, stay with me.
Bayangisheba bathi mina ngeke ngiphume